Don't open this at home with your teeth. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Gabby and today's video is an unboxing for Boxycharm and January, the base box and the premium box. So I have two boxes right here and I'm going to start with the base box, this one. I'm going to leave right here on the screen all the details about this box, like the price, the weight, the variation, and also, all those juicy details. So let's get this puppy open. Okay, it's nice. The thing of the month is breaking the ice, and I got variation 12. The first product, okay, I think I got a nice shade is the Pre-Bulgur Undercover Concealer. These retails for $25 and I got the shade Little White Lies, number 60. Yeah. Okay. And I think this is for me, because I'm not that pale, I think this is a really nice highlighting color for the under eye. I gotta try it. The second product is the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. I hope I got the color I chose. The Scarlet Dust Ace Beauty palette. That's the one I got. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. I mean, these colors are the ones I really love. I mean, this color scheme is perfect for me. I really love bold colors. Really, I'm really into pink color, so this is perfect for me. I can't wait to try it. There are, I mean, 12 colors in this palette, and this palette is really gorgeous. Look at this color. Okay, this palette retails for $34.99. Next product is the Skin and Co Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gouache. It's basically a scrub. It's pretty big actually. It's 150 ml. This retails for $28. So I gotta try it. This is made in Italy. So I think it's promising. I mean, it looks really interesting. Okay, next one. Sleeping mask. I really love the sleeping mask. I actually, my favorite at the moment, well, I have a few, but my favorite is the Clinique, like the pink bottle. That's my favorite. Okay, this mask it's called the 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask by Advent Skincare. Advent or Avent, I don't know. But this is made in London, England. Okay, and this retails for, I mean, this is quite high, $107. Yes, dollars. Okay, that's really pricey. It says it helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Well, I think it would be really nice. Also for the, not like the under eye, but the skin like around the under eye. And also if you have kind of lines here and maybe here, I gotta try it. I mean, I always, when I get a new product, well, this is my tip. That's the thing I always do. For example, my skin is quite sensitive, and it can react to quite few ingredients, but I always try a new products here in my under eye. I put just a nice amount, not like a large or something like that, not something. And I put the product right here and I leave it there at least for 4 hours. So I can see, it's like a really soft fragrance, but it's really nice. Smell also like a cream. Okay, so I leave the product here for at least 4 hours. So that's how I make sure it doesn't give me an allergy or something like that, because I already have an allergy right here in my arm. I have it on my face. The last product for this base box is a lip with. Oh my god, I love lipsticks and lip glosses. Now I'm into lip glosses. That's weird. Okay, this lip with. I like the color is pretty. Okay, this retails for $21. I got it open. The brand, this is from Mana Kedar Beauty Simplified. Let's get this open. I need a tweezer. I don't have it right here in this room with me. Don't open this at home with your teeth. Okay. This is the product. I don't have much of a sound. Well, yeah. Now I can smell the scent here. Okay, let's swatch it here on my hand. Okay, it's like a deep, it's like a deep raspberry. Yeah, it's like a deep raspberry. I really love the color. I haven't heard anything about this brand. I gotta try it, but I like it. Also, I wish Boxycharm sent me more neutral colors all the time. Basically, I got red lipsticks or raspberry, although in my test, I said I want neutrals. But anyway, overall, I'm really happy with the box. Okay, my box retails for 250.99. So I think it's really good because you only pay 25 for the box. So okay, this is really good and I like it. Now let's see what I got in my premium box, because that box is quite new and budget in Boxycharm. So I'm really curious what I got this month. I mean, it's pretty heavy. So it's pretty heavy and bigger. It can really organize. And the first thing you see, of course, is the card. I got variation 31. Let's see, with the first one I caught my eye. It says Tula Skincare. Keep it clear, acne foam cleanser. Actually, at the moment, I don't need this, so probably I'm going to give this to my cousin. But let's open to just to see how the product looks. It's really pretty. It's 180 ml. I mean, it's pretty big and feels really heavy. Okay, this one actually, this was the product I chose. I wanted the palette, and when I saw the colors, I mean, this palette just caught my eye. It's really pretty. Look at this. It's really pretty. So cute. Okay, it's called a Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams palette. And okay, it's magnetic. Oh, it's nice. Okay, let's open this. Okay, look at these beautiful colors. 12 colors. 12 colors. Kind of like a neutral with a pop of colors, because you have the blue and the fuchsia right here. So it looks really nice. Can't wait to try it. And this retails for $45. Hey, that's the smell. And it smells like cookies. Yeah, like cookies. Okay, next product. Also, it comes with this. So you can make high heels with that. That's really, really cool. This is like your makeup tutorial in this kind of format. Okay, next product. I don't know what to do first. Okay, I got a Pore Patrol Deep Detox Pore Clay Souffle Mask. Oh my god, this is a mask. Okay, it's by Bliss. This retails for $18. Let's see how this looks. So pretty. It's so tiny. But it's tiny, but this is 60 grams. And this is really cool. Can't wait to try it. Next product will be, okay, that's this one. The Far Sally. This one was like a sneak peek product. Far Sally Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. Okay, this looks so pretty. It does definitely have a radiance glow. Okay, this is made with hyaluronic acid, so this is good. That's one of my favorite ingredients in skincare. And how much this is? I think I said it. No, is $50. $54 for this product. Next product, Lolita. This product is called eyeshadow. I think it's an eyeshadow and also like a blush. This is a Kat Von D product called Lolita. It's really pretty package. Okay. No, it doesn't have a smell or anything, but the color is really pretty. The color is really pretty. This retails for $19. That's okay. Yeah, it got a rosy undertone. And the last product is called the Best Brow Kit Ever by Billion Dollar Brows. Okay. Let's see. This retails for $22. It's expensive. Comes with 4 products basically. The brow gel, the concealer and highlighter, brow brush, and the actual pencil. It says Universal Brow Pencil. The color I think is going to work for me. It doesn't have a copper undertone, which I'm really happy because it's really hard to find brow products for brunettes because most of the time, for me at least, I find that most of them comes with a copper undertone, and as you can see, this one is not. It's kind of like a taupe, maybe like a neutral undertone. So I think this is going to look really good. Let's see the brow gel. The brow gel is clear, so I think I'm gonna apply it right now. It doesn't deposit much product, but since it's clear, it's fine. It's not like wow, something new, but it's fine. And let's see this one. This is the concealer, okay, and this is the highlighter. Okay, both of them are pretty light for me, but I think I can make it work. But looks really creamy, looks really nice. And the brush I really like the brush. The bristles feel really soft, so I really like it. Okay, let's sum up all these prices and let's see how much actually are all these products. $212. Um, that's really pricey because you're only paying $35 for this box. So I'm pretty happy. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite product for each box? I mean, for the base box, I think my favorite was the palette actually, and for this one, I think my favorite I have to say the mask and the palette, of course. So let me know what you think. I hope you like this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel. This is actually my first video here on YouTube, so I'm quite nervous. I hope you have a great time, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll be uploading 2 new videos per week. Well, that's the goal. And I see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.